Following my last video unboxing the EMC Sports Shock 2 shock absorber, I'm now going to try and do a video by placing the camera right at the back so we can see these two shocks working. I've rigged up a little I've rigged up this so that I can screw in the camera and hopefully we can see how the spring works under pressure, under acceleration, braking and everything. It's the first time I've tried it, so once we get the new spring on, I'll do the same video on exactly the same road, try and put them together, or I'm going to try and learn how to put a little box screen in the top of the big screen so you can see them both working at the same time on the same piece of road. Well guys, if you haven't done it already, subscribe to my channel, hit that bell, and see you on the next video. Let's hope I can make this one work. Bye for now.
Drop it, 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 drop it.
Well, there you go. I've managed to put the film into the film. They're not quite synchronized as they should be, but I hope you've got the gist. The new shocker's in the little box at the top, the little screen, and the old one's the big screen. And it feels smoother. There's less harsh bangs in the backside now, so we'll better get out there and try it with the old navigator on the back and see how she finds it. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell, and you'll get all the latest videos. There's more coming. Thanks, bye. See you soon, ride safe.